Today we have a lot of animals. The first one is a lion king. This is a lion. This is a crocodile. A giraffe. This is a giraffe. This is a leopard. L is for leopard. This is a rhino. R is for rhino. This is a cow. C is for cow. This is a velociraptor. This is a T-Rex. A lioness. L is for lioness. This is a T-Rex. This is a camel. A camel. This is a tiger. This is a tiger. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. This is a deer. This is a deer. This is a velociraptor. A stegosaurus. This is a stegosaurus. This is a lion. A lion. This is a sheep. This is a spinosaurus. This is a giraffe. This is a tiger. A tiger. This is a kangaroo.